In this video I'll show you why you should put a cotton pad in your fridge, so be sure to watch the video to the end, because you certainly know this: you open the refrigerator and it does not smell nice, because of course many different foods come together here and thereby also unpleasant odors can arise. But this is exactly where such a conventional cotton pad can help you, because if we now put a little fragrance on here, then it smells immediately much better in the refrigerator. Perfect for this, for example, vanilla. Vanilla is a nice fresh smell that also fits well in the refrigerator. Just put a few drops of vanilla scent or vanilla oil on a cotton pad, and then you can put this right into the fridge. Make sure, however, that the whole thing runs through a bit here, of course. Maybe put a cotton pad underneath so that you don't have the vanilla scent directly on the glass. You now have to put the whole thing normally in the refrigerator, in any place where there is space. You can also take a bowl and put it in there and then put it in the fridge. And the next time you open your refrigerator, it will smell really nice and pleasant like vanilla. So try this trick with your refrigerator as well. If you also want to know why you should always open tissue boxes, then watch this video which I linked to you here. If you liked the video, then I would be really happy about a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new video.